Difference between a metaphor and an analogy. He was a lion in the battlefield. Metaphor. Writing regularly is like going to the gym. If you don't practice daily, you lose progress. Analogy. In a metaphor, another thing or another object is used to represent a characteristic or a physical trait. Her heart is stone. Her heart is not actually stone, but you get the point. In the case of an analogy, the other thing or object doesn't represent something but is used for comparison. For example, her heart is like stone. She really gets emotionally affected. I'm not telling you that her heart is stone, I'm telling you what makes her heart like stone. Therefore, with a metaphor, you simply replace, but with an analogy, you also explain. Let's get back to the lion example. Metaphor. He was a lion in the battlefield. Analogy. He fought like a lion in the battlefield. His enemies were often overwhelmed by his ferocity. A metaphor creates an image, an analogy explains you something. When I tell you he was a lion in the battlefield, you can actually see him fighting with the ferocity of a lion. It creates an image of a lion in your mind. When I tell you he fought like a lion in the battlefield, he instilled fear in the hearts of his opponents with his battle cries. I'm not just comparing, I'm also explaining a particular trait of a lion. So, with a metaphor, you create imagery without giving further explanation, and with analogy, you give further information to make your point. Further information is the key differentiator. Here are 5 examples of using metaphor. The classroom was a zoo. The city is a jungle at night. The journey was a nightmare. Time is a river that never stops flowing. His words were daggers. Knives, in case you don't know what daggers are. Here are 5 examples using analogy. Learning to drive is like learning to ride a bicycle. At first you wobble, but with practice you gain control. The brain works like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Trust is like glass. Once it breaks, it is hard to fix completely. The internet is like a huge library. You can find almost anything if you know where to look. Managing money is like maintaining a garden. If you ignore it, problems grow. I hope with this video you have understood the difference between a metaphor and an analogy. If yes, please like the video, subscribe to my channel or click the bell icon so that you receive a notification whenever I upload the next video.